Hello everyone, we'll be discussing the most important topic in this video, which is trading psychology and how to manage our emotions. Before we spend any money in the financial markets or fund our trading account, we have to first put in the groundwork and invest in ourselves in order to build a hard emotionless mindset to achieve success. The financial markets are very volatile. You will feel a rush of emotions as the market goes from bullish to bearish. The brain, when unconquered from these negative emotions, becomes the biggest enemy not only to you but to your trading account balance. To begin our journey in defeating these naturally occurring emotions, we must firstly identify them and break down their effects on our trading journey. We have to remain aware of these naturally occurring negative emotions. Your biggest challenges would be greed, fear, denial, panic, depression, excitement, which means cockiness, and anxiety. So let's break down one by one in steps. So, greed. Greed will hit you hard after a green week or two when you will be making some handsome profits. All these social media gurus who have projected get rich quick scheme thoughts into your mind, which then will force you to make ignorant decisions. You'll start over risking your portfolio. Over risking is the fastest way to blow your account. On the mainstream media, there is a fake persona of trading. There is no such thing in reality like that. Always remember, slow and steady wins the race. Managing the risk is the first priority of every trader. As a professional trader, you have to manage your risk and you have to secure your funds. Number 2. Fear. Fear will strike you deep when you experience a bear market or investing more than you can afford to lose or after losing some trades. In this chart which you are seeing, these kind of movements brings immense fear in the market. Sudden drop brings immense fear in the market. As long as you are managing your risk, fear should not overtake you. Number 3. Denial. Denial will plague you when your investment decisions turn out to be incorrect. This will most likely occur when a negative news or a scandal has been released. Panic. You will panic during the large intraday market swings when the market will make fake breakouts and move in the opposite way. This will lead to panic selling in loss. The chart which you are seeing, this is of Bitcoin in US dollar chart. Imagine now the triangle had a breakout towards the upside. Now, on this candle, majority of traders would have been bought over here. But unfortunately, the market made a fake out and hit all their stop losses and came back again, as you can see in this triangle. Depression. Depression begins to come after a strong emotional discomfort from the markets, after suffering from large financial losses in the markets. Excitement. This is more sort of a positive feeling, but excitement, if handled incorrectly, will lead to bad results. You will be overconfident and start risking more on every trade. In the beginning stages, after a few successful trades, you will be like, this is easy. I can do this every time. And now you are out of a logic. You are entering trades in a wrong positions. A very quick way to bringing your trading account to zero. Excitement takes rationality away from trading. Anxiety. Every new trader or sometimes even experienced trader, after going through a series of losses, becomes fearful, thinking for always worst case scenarios. Even if it is a right trade based upon technical analysis, risk is calculated, everything is managed, still you will have anxiety to take that trade and you wouldn't be able to place the trigger of executing the trade. This makes a person pessimistic. Now, how to conquer these negative emotions and have calmness and clarity through your trading journey? I'll give you a simple exercise. We need calmness and clarity to work towards our fullest potential. A simple practice like meditation. You must program your mind through this. Grab yourself a comfortable chair or sit in a quiet place and just close your eyes and observe your thoughts and focus on the breathing. Begin to gradually focus on breathing. This will not be easy in the beginning, but you will slowly get used to it. While breathing, your main priority is just to observe your thoughts without engaging them, without feeling them. Just observe them. Whenever a negative thought comes, bring it back to the present moment. So the law of repetition states that the more you practice, the more you get better at it. You will be surprised at what kind of thoughts I am thinking all day. Not only in trading, it will help you in overall life. You will be extremely clear and conscious and make logical decisions. This will become game changer in your investment and trading journey. I'll give you some tips from my experience of trading. So always remember, simplicity is the key. Simple charts. Clear and clean price section is what you need. That's it. Don't follow the mainstream media, which every second trader uses 10 and 5 indicators and they keep bragging this. It does not work at all. You need a crystal clean price section and chart. That's it. And the less you trade, the more profitable you will be in the long run. Let's assume someone who is always looking for trades to enter and exit 24/7. No matter how professional you are, there'll always be a psychological implication when you are involved in the trade. Whenever even I'm involved in a trade, I have some sort of attachment to that trade. Why? Because my money is on the stake. It is natural, but you have to control your emotions. Here in the financial markets, you are given full power of your decision. You are in full control. When you are put under this whole kind of responsibility, there are all kinds of mental judgment, consistent battles with yourself, all kind of crazy things running through your mind. So the least amount of trades you are in, the better. Remember, in the risk management module, we studied about high reward and low risk setups. The least amount of trades, the better. And the golden point, let the market come to you, which means from which the price can bounce back. Never ever forcefully chase a trade. Let the market come to you. This is the golden point. In the financial markets, your actions will dictate your outcomes. We always blame others in the market, but we do not blame ourselves. Here in these markets, our actions will dictate our outcomes. So now we have discussed the major challenging emotions and we have discussed how to manage them. So do apply all these practices which I have shown you in this video. It will make you a better human being and a better trader. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture and you have completely understood. Thank you so much.